Hey, how's it going?
Everybody, I'm Stephanie. Everybody, I'm Stephanie Quayle. Everybody, I'm Stephanie. Hey, everybody, I'm Stephanie Quayle. Hey, everybody,
Non puoi piacere a tutti. Ci sarà sempre qualcuno, certo, che non gli piacerai, capisci che gli starai un po' antipatico, che vorrai
With me to go to my daddy's house, and no, I am not a child of divorce. This is a united family front. Mommy and daddy just don't live together yet. Obviously, my Uber is waiting out front. Black cars only, baby. Mommy picks me up and carries me like a prince, while the valet opens the car door for me. As they both should. This is me and my mommy on the way to daddy's house. And I must say, the car is carring, the roads are roading, but it's a bumpy ride, so I hold my mommy's hands like the good emotional support dog that I am. The emotional support is definitely emotionally supporting. And we're here! First thing is first, I do my little leg kicks to show all the other dogs in this neighborhood that I am the alpha dog. King Louie has arrived. This is me walking towards the building. Right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot. My mommy picks me up and carries me towards the building because I'm not allowed to walk on the floor of the building. I mean, what do they think I am? Some dirty animal? Don't they know that I am the flawless, perfect king of Miami? Like, for real. The mood changes real quick up in here. I mean, look at that lighting. I greet my Renaissance lady friend. Oh, hey! We back. Okay, no more distractions. Hi, I'm here for Daddy. Now let us up. Naturally, the front desk human obeys my order and lets me go up. This is me, waiting in the magic teleportation box to go to my daddy's house. Now this is the part I've been waiting all day for. My mommy undoes my harness because there's no mean security to tell us what to do. And freedom. I do some sniffing and some searching and I realize where I am and I get so excited because I love Daddy. Daddy, let's go. Is this Daddy's door? Yay, we're here. Wait, no, wrong door. Onwards. Daddy, is this Daddy's door? Yay, let us in. Before I can do anything, I must eat dinner because food is life. So good. What the actual F? Where is my daddy? Doesn't he know that I traveled all this way to come see him? And you are telling me that he's in a work meeting? I mean, the audacity. But all is good in the world because I am reunited with Mr. Eggplant, my favorite toy. So I bring it outside Daddy's door, hoping that it'll tempt him into coming out. Yay! It worked! Daddy's done with his meetings. So now it is playtime. My daddy and I play some tug of war, and because I am the strongest boy that ever was, obviously, I win every single match. Mommy and Daddy thought that this was their time together. Nuh-uh. This visit was for me, and then I hop into my daddy's lap and I steal my mom's man. You jealous?
哟，你快给我摆回去！
Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Oh no.
Who's the most beautiful girl in the room?
You? Hey, I love you too. Come on.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, good job.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Bitch, yeah.
He's a big cheesy smile. Yeah.
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. There. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. I made a run for it.
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh,
Oh,
what just fell on my shoe?
poop.
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today, because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
¿Sabías que a los gatos les encanta sentarse en cuadrados, incluso si estos son falsos? Esto se descubrió por varios experimentos realizados.
Hay que hacerlo.
Es el cuadro Atrapamichi.
Gary! I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Hey!
Jesus.
Yes.
My stupid heart, don't know. I tried to let you go so many times before. Then when I got back to pull my stupid heart, too late, already on my way. If you go down your friends, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart.
Dad told Mom she can't be a stay-at-home dog. Mom, I told him, if he can't support her dream, we will find a new dad.
¡No puede ser! ¡Es una zapatilla mágica de cristal! A ver tú. ¡No puede ser! ¡Tú también eres una putiprincesa!
Okay, he's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
I don't care how long it takes, as long as I'm with you, I've got a smile on my face. Save your tears, it'll be
Mother, I'm coming home.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Hey!
Your demise.
Get. Ayo.
There's no more bacon. No. Now it's my turn to talk. No. There is no more bacon. There is no more bacon.
My pronouns are he, not him. Because I'll never be him.
Oh, my sweet boy. Big stretch. That's a good one. Hi, baby. Hi. Yes, hi. Hi.
Welcome to the Snarler Parlor. Hello? You're a big cat. Can you come out? Can you come out? You gonna let me clip your nails? Can I see your paws? Don't jump. Oh, do I need to clip your nails? The nails are really short, so there's no nails. This big, beautiful silver fox is Buddy, and he's a 2-year-old Maine Coon. His owners already maintain his nails at home, so I got to skip trimming the murder mittens. No, I'm not jumping anywhere. After I brush him out, I ruin his life by giving him a nice, warm, soapy bath. No. Oh my God. If you think Buddy is handsome, you should stay tuned till next week when I groom his kittens. No, they're not jumping out. It's okay. It's okay. Nope. I think he's starting to understand that this is karma for the mouse that he killed last week. Okay, you made it. You made it. It's okay, little buddy. It's okay. He pulled his happy hoodie off in the dryer, and then he lost his poop. It just goes to show you how useful this tool is, especially when working on cats. It works by calming them down, and also makes them think that they are immobilized. You want it? Oh, you're shaking. You're very upset. Well, You just wasted a tube, and a lot of cats would be very disappointed about that. After he was dry, I started brushing him out with my slicker brush. Where are you going? Oh, your tail just reeks. Stay here. I know, you got stud tail and it's nasty. I'm using a degreaser cream for cats to try to remove the oil from his stud tail. I'm sorry, but your greasy stud tail is nasty. Stay here. I'm just gonna get a little bit more. Stud tail is a skin condition that occurs on the base of a cat's tail. It's called stud tail because stud is the term used for a breeding male, and it mainly occurs in intact male cats. It's caused by overactivity of the sebaceous glands near the rear of the back and the base of the tail. This overactivity is caused by high levels of hormones that are secreted when an unneutered male cat experiences puberty. It's all oily, greasy nastiness. In rare cases, this condition can also affect both spayed and neutered male and female cats. Good boy. Good boy. Well, this cat does not have a single little tangle of mats. It's in really good condition.
The coat report.
I sprayed this handsome man down in bubblegum cologne, and although he is less than impressed, I am certain that he both looks and feels a heck of a lot better. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss his adorable kittens that I'm grooming next week. He's trying to hide. Buddy. Stay here. Goodbye. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed The Brave Buddy.
God damn it.
Get the bird! Get the bird! Go get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh! Come here! It's a come!
Yeah?
Ready, boy?
Ladre pasito para que no despierte a los de la casa. Good job, Whisper. Good job.
Front of your child to see what they do.
Mary?
Made it up to you, yeah.
Que cachorro sem vergonha? Cachorro sem vergonha. Cachorro sem vergonha.
Mila! 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 Quit!
Our 3 huskies thought no one was home when my wife left for work. Why does one sound like he is dying? OMG, how long do they do this for when we leave?
Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me.
What are you doing? Do you want to play in here? Okay. Want me to get your... Okay.